Hey, this will be a video chart on ZVTK, ZVTK Incorporated. Last time I did it, I had talked about a channel that was forming between the 50-day simple moving average, this purple line, and the 200-day simple moving average, this orange line. And then it fell below it, and you can see then just separated itself from it. But today was a very nice day for it. The stock was up 69%, and with that, very nice volume. In fact, the most volume it's had in probably 2 months, over 2 months. So very nice bullish action here. And the thing that was pretty impressive was it actually did get back above the 200-day simple moving average, which once again is that orange line. You can see the close was well above it. So pretty impressive move considering it had started from way down here. So with all the requests I've been getting on it, I just want to go over things again, and that way everybody's got an idea of what to look for. So the first thing to notice now is kind of what I just pointed out, so I kind of got ahead of myself, but really the key support level here, which was established, is this orange line, which is the 200-day simple moving average. So let me change that to green for support. Right now it's valued at 0.0034. Now does that have to hold? It doesn't have to, but ideally that'd be great if it could. The other key support that you have underneath you is right down here, which was a low and then basically a previous high. This is at 0.0025. So these are your two key support areas. Now you do have one more, but hopefully it doesn't happen. We have this low down here, which was the lowest it's been in a long time, at 0.002. If the price does come down here, then it's one of those things where the best case you can do is get a double bottom, but then you're also running the risk of just making another new low and then heading further and further to the downside. From where it stands now, it's looking like the chart's got a chance to keep going, especially with all the momentum that built during the latter parts of the day. But it is going to be very important that if the price does pull back, that these support levels hold. I mean, something like this where it comes down here, bounces, and then heads back up, that'd be perfectly fine. So, down days or sideways days after something like this isn't terrible, but at the same time, you need to make sure they stay under control. And under control means they stay above these two support levels. Preferably this one, but if not, then you'd really want to see it hold that one right there. Now on the flip side of the coin, let's talk about some resistance levels. Really the key thing right now is where the price stopped today. This red line here is a 20-day simple moving average, and you can see right there that's basically what knocked it down. Currently that's valued at 0.0041, and I believe that was the high of the day. So as you can see, this moving average right now is acting as resistance, and that's the line that you want to see the bulls push back above. Now if this price can get broken, really the next area that I'm looking at other than the 50-day is right around this area here. You can see back in late January, early February, acted as support quite a bit right around here. When it fell, then acted as resistance right there. So this is basically the next key area of resistance besides the 20-day simple moving average. And this is valued at right around 0.0048. Then after that we have the 50-day simple moving average as resistance, which is at 0.0059. But that's where I'll cut it off for now. If the price does start to get up here, I'm sure I'll be back with more video updates. But for the time being, very nice day. Hopefully volume can stay strong like this, and with another nice volume day and price action, that'll go into the weekend with some nice momentum and hopefully get a gap around Monday. But the main thing of concern for the people that are in this for the longer term is making sure you get a healthy consolidation. Once again, that can be monitored by making sure, best case, this support holds, but if not, you really want to see that one hold. And if it does, then you can consider that as a healthy consolidation and then hopefully see another push upwards. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting good reviews. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. The best part is it's all free. We've been making some good money together, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. One more time, this was ZVTK. Thanks for listening.